Nice big gun you have there, son.
Oh my god, guys. Hey guys, TheNasher here, and welcome to a Nerf video. In this video, I've been caught in a Nerf war with Rasenxu. And so, guys, enjoy. I'm gonna kill him. Hey guys, okay, so it's the first one with a magazine to run out. Rasenxu will be using, Pointstare will be using, what's it called, man? You know what I'm gonna use, guys? You know what I'm gonna use.
A piece of shit.
You know what it is.
A piece of shit.
Oh, you can't really see it there. It's called the Long Strike. CS6, yeah. Okay, so guys, first one to get 5 hits on the other guy, or the first one to get hit in the head wins. Wait, if you get a hit in the head, you lose, okay? Okay, guys, so 3, 2, 1, here we go.
Oh my god, it's not even loaded. 3, 2, 1. Headshot. You were saying, Nash?
Huh? That wasn't a headshot. You totally hit the wall.
Oh!
Right in the place.
You are in for a long part. Oh god!
Right above my head.
Right by his head. Oh, come on!
Just over my head. Got him on the gun.
No. Come on.
Okay, guys, we're gonna go and hide.
Yeah!
Oh, that hurt. Ow.
Thank you.
Oh, I just missed.
Hell no! I don't want to die. Nope. Come on to get me.
Guys, we're gonna get him. We're gonna get him. I got him. That's 3. Right.
Oh, don't you hate me so headshot? Headshot. I've lost my 2 minutes.
We're gonna get him. Oh no, I'm out of ammo. He's throwing grenades. Okay, guys. We're gonna get him. We're gonna get him. I'm gonna change gun. I'm changing gun too. Guys, I'll see you in a sec. Okay, guys, we're gonna start again. 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 6, 7, 4, 2, 1, go. As you can see, I'm using a very different gun. This is a Vortex, which is a very good gun, and I really like it.